Hi, in our video this time we want to talk about 2-in-1 car shampoo from Dr.Chemist. 2-in-1 car shampoo contains wax in the solution that give a high shine after wash. It have a rich foam and can remove tough dirts. The mixture ratio for this shampoo is as follows. For snow foam sprayer and pail, mix 1 shampoo to 10 water. For example, 100 ml shampoos to 1 liter water. For the snow tank compressor, the ratio is 1 shampoo to 70 water. Let's see the way how to use it. First step, fill the bottle with water and shampoo according to the ratio. Second step, close the bottle with the spray head and shake the bottle to mix well. Third step, pump the spray head until it's hard to be pumped. Fourth step, spray the shampoo mixture on the vehicle surface. Fifth step, use sponge to even out the shampoo and scrub the tough dirt. Sixth step, rinse with water until clean. And that's all you need to do. It's easy, right?